RGB lights, good sounding headset and mic, all access controls. Hi everyone, it's Rye, and in this video, we will be reviewing the Fifine Ampligame H6 gaming headset. Let's get started. So the Fifine Ampligame H6 gaming headset comes in this wonderful packaged box. And let's go straight and take a look of what's inside it. First we have here is the manual, in which everything is indicated for the controls and all the things that we need to know. And then let's proceed to the product itself. This product boasts a slick and minimalist design that effectively conveys its functionality. The item is available in a classic black hue, in which we have now, and features a charming smiling emoji-like icon on its earmuff. The cushioning is crafted from soft plush materials that provide optimal comfort during use. And the design offers a secure and snug fit that enables passive noise cancellation. Now take a look at that. This has rotating RGB lights that lights up with dynamic color modes for that modern vibes and that legit gamer look. And in this day and age, RGB is life. The product boasts an adjustable design that can be tailored to meet individual size preferences. The soft texture and design lend themselves to extended periods of comfortable listening. Moreover, the flexible and sturdy material composition combined with the thick earmuffs create a snug and enveloping sensation. The use of breathable, high-quality leather ensures optimal airflow, reducing discomfort and perspiration during prolonged use. And now also let's take a look at the wire. This device features a built-in wire that spans approximately about 2 meters, complete with controls situated in between. The wire terminates in a Type A USB connector, offering reliable connectivity and compatibility with a range of devices. And now let's take a look at this. Right now here we have the control. The control interface of the product is right here. Notably, this device offers best-in-class audio fidelity delivered unparalleled in-game immersion through the hardware-powered Virtual 7.1 surround sound. Of course, that is accurate in audio positioning. Now we have here is a dedicated button for this feature, which is conveniently located in between the volume controls. So the volume controls are here, the up and the down. Additionally, the control panel provides access to various configurable functions, including the 3 distinct EQ presets. So we have here, if I press this one for the games, if I press this again for the movies and music, in which each of this delivers an exceptional audio experience. And also we have here is a detachable microphone, which is one of the components of the product. Now this microphone boasts a neutral sound quality that faithfully reproduces the user's voice, while the headset's high fidelity audio output ensures optimal sound detail and realism. Moreover, the device incorporates an anti-interference ring that effectively attenuates external noise, enhancing the clarity of the user's voice. As evidence of the microphone sound quality, here is a sample recording of it.
Okay, check. This is the sound of the microphone of the Fifine H6. Sound check, testing, hello check. This is the sound check. The test, sound check. So this is raw, unfiltered, no nothing, just pure sound from the Fifine H6.
Now the microphone features a 360 degrees flexible and detachable design that can be easily adjusted to any desired angle. Additionally, the omnidirectional technology employed by the microphone guarantees superior audio fidelity and clarity during gaming sessions or in-game communications. This USB headset boasts a weight of merely 330 grams, make it one of the lightest devices in the category. And of course, if you ask me for the price, this is priced at 2,550 pesos, or more or less $47 US. Now, if you ask me what are the top features of the product in which I like, first is, of course, the rotating RGB lights for that aesthetic look. This product also fits well, comfortable to the ears, and take note, we have here a good sounding headset. That 7.1 surround sound option is a plus for me. For good gaming, I can feel it realistically emulates in-game sounds. So it also has good sounding microphone. So you have heard a sample of that a while ago. Unexpected from a gaming headset. Now I can use this for calls and even voiceovers or live stream. And also I love the dedicated buttons for the equalizer mode. It is easy to reach and you don't need an app or you don't need to control it on your device. So no sweat, and I love that. And for me, it is also value for money. I find it more affordable than most gaming headsets in the market. Now, do you agree with my pick? And do you agree with my opinion on this? Comment down below. But of course, I would have to be honest that I have things that I suggest or features that I want them to improve on for this Fifine headset. First is, for me, it should have a detachable wire option to address the potential issue of wear and tear on wired components due to usage movements. The inclusion of a detachable wire option in the product would have been beneficial. This feature would allow for easy replacement in the event of damage or malfunction, improving the overall durability and longevity of the device. And also, I would like also to suggest that it could have also come with an option for the connector to a headphone plug. It would have been advantageous to include this as an option to increase the compatibility of the device with a broader range of devices. And lastly, I also noticed that you cannot control the RGB lights. So I think having controls for the RGB lights could be a plus. The ability to control it also allows us flexibility to adjust aesthetics according to our preference, and furthermore can also have the option to disable the lighting when we want it for a more subdued appearance. So those are the three things that I wish that this product will improve. Now, do you agree with that? Comment down below. And of course, this product is for those who loves a gaming headset that is good sounding, with good sounding mic and aesthetically pleasing appearance, including that RGB lighting for that total gamer-like look package. It will be best also for those who want to have this experience without spending too much from the wallet. Now, what are the things that I missed? What are the things that you want to add? Comment down below, and of course you can find product links on where to purchase the products as well as information on its other amazing features in the description section of this video. So be sure to check it out. Now that's it for me. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Rye for RyeTech. I'm really happy and really glad that you have allowed us to reach 10K subscribers, and I will see you on the next video. This is our review of the Fifine Ampligame H6 headset. See you!